Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Nayagam. My course ID is 95031801602901. Currently, I'm in a course of Introduction to Communications. Today I will explore two critical aspects of communication that are particularly relevant to Malaysia's dynamic multicultural workplace environment in 2024. Common interpersonal communication challenges and the impact of organizational structures on information flow. Understanding this element is crucial as our nation continue to embrace digital transformation and adapt to evolving work cultures. Let's examine two significant interpersonal communication challenges that are especially prevalent in Malaysian's professional settings. The first issue is a cultural and linguistic nuance in a message interpretation. In our richly diverse Malaysian's workplace, where we commonly switch between Bahasa Malaysia, English, and various other languages, messages can be interpreted differently based on cultural context. For instance, consider our current implementation of a Malaysia Madani initiatives in organization. When a manager says we need to be more sustainable in our approach, some team members might interpret this strictly in environmental terms, while others might consider it from the broader Madani perspective of sustainability in governance and social responsibility. A practical example is seen in many of our local tech companies, where teams often comprise members from different cultural backgrounds such as Malay, Chinese, Indian, and international expatriates. Each bring their own communication style and cultural understanding to the table. Consider how a simple phrase like "I will try my best" might be interpreted differently. Some cultures might see it as a firm commitment, while others might understand it as a polite way of expressing uncertainty. The second challenges is a hierarchical communication barriers in our local context. Despite the Malaysia's progress in modernizing workplace culture, many organizations still maintain the strong hierarchical structures influenced by our cultural values of respect and seniority. For example, in many Malaysian companies, especially government-linked corporation (GLCs), junior staff might hesitate to provide direct feedback or raise concern to senior management, even when such input could be valuable. Now let's explore how organizational structures affect the communication flow in Malaysia's current business landscape. Information gaps in a Malaysia organization often reflects our unique organizational culture. Take our current push for digital transformation under Malaysia's digital economy blueprint, My Digital. While top management might have a clear vision of a digital initiative, this information often gets filtered through multiple layers before reaching the front-line employees. For instance, the large Malaysian conglomerate especially corporates implementing the new digital systems, we often see disconnects between the strategic vision at the headquarters and the practical understanding at the branch levels. The hierarchical structure in a Malaysian organization creates specific challenges. First, that's what I call respect barrier, a phenomenon where Malaysian employees influenced by cultural values of respect and face saving might withhold the crucial feedback from the superiors. This is particularly evident in organizations transitioning to more agile, flexible work arrangement post-pandemic, where traditional hierarchical communication patterns can clash with the need for rapid, direct information exchange. Second, we see the departmental silo effect, which is especially pronounced in larger Malaysian organizations. For example, in our banking sector, which is undergoing significant digital transformation, valuable insights about the customer behavior might remain trapped within specific department, not reaching other units that could be benefit from this information. To conclude, the effective communication in Malaysia's evolving workplace requires us to balance our traditional values with the modern business needs. At the interpersonal level, we must navigate our rich cultural diversity while maintaining clear communication. At the organizational level, we need to find ways to preserve respectful hierarchical relationship while ensuring the efficient informational flow. Understanding these challenges in our local context help us develop more effective strategies for clear, efficient communication that honors both our cultural heritage and our aspiration for a modern, dynamic Malaysia. Thank you, guys.